This is a really quick tutorial on how to train a LoRa outside Weavy, then bring it in Weavy and use it in your workflows. To finish this tutorial, I'm going to examine if training on a specific style is way better than just using some reference images with the Nano Banana, for example. First thing you need for training a LoRa is a dataset. So if you're training for your own image, it could be lots of beautiful pictures of you. And if you're training for style, it could be lots of examples for your desired style. In both cases, you'll need a zip file with all your images. The number of images in this file could be somewhere between 5 and 100, maybe even more. I go for 20, 30 examples. Usually it works for me. So first we head over to fal.ai or replicate.com. Both of these services are very good for training. Under Explore in Fal AI, I'm going into the Training tab to watch all the training options. You can see and check all of them for yourself. Today I'll be training style, so I'm going for Flux LoRA Fast training, and the UI is fairly simple. I'm picking up the zip file. Under my style, it has all of my images. There's a debate around choosing the right trigger word. I recommend choosing a word that does not have a representation in the normal language. So I'm going for something like OHWX, which is totally random, and style connected. Is it a style? Yes, it is. We can go for additional settings, but in most use cases, I leave this on default and clicking start. We will see our training happening right here on the right side, and we'll be notified when it's finished. Once it's completed, we'll click on Show Files and download the diffusers LoRa file, that safetensors file. Download it locally. After that, once it's downloaded, let's head over to our workflow tab to open the quick search menu and import LoRa. Clicking on the upload, uploading the sensors file. Zooming back a little bit. While it's uploading, I'm going to add Flux Dev LoRa. Wait for it to finish. Connect the LoRa output to the LoRa input, add a prompt, and let's try it with something pretty similar to what we trained on, a Weavy soap product in OHWX style. Please notice you have to call out your LoRa using the trigger word in your prompt. Run. Okay, we got some results. I think the text is not so good, but the style is pretty consistent. Okay, so that's the way to train your own LoRa and bring it inside Weavy and use it. Let's go over it quickly. First, you go into File, you find the Flux LoRa Fast training, if that's what you want to train. Then you add your zip file, add the trigger word, run it, download the LoRa, upload your LoRa inside Weavy, plug it into Flux Dev LoRa and run it with the trigger word in the prompt. Now, just as an afterthought, let's compare this style training to just regular usage of reference for, let's say, Nano Banana, right? The entire training set was generated by me over here, so we can manually compare how similar is it. We can see it's pretty similar, even though I think the purple color is way more dominant in my set than in the results. Let's say we are satisfied with that. Let's compare it to just using a reference for this product set. So I'll be importing a few of my images. Let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say these are a good representation of my style. I'm adding Nano Banana and adding some references. Okay, I went for a Weavy camera, use only the style of the reference images provided. Let's run it a few times. Okay, and we got some nice results. I mean, I'm not sure that it got all the reference because it's repeating this background a few times. But generally speaking, I would always try using references with Gemini before going for a LoRa and see if I'm getting satisfactory result. Just because the LoRa training is a bit more laborious. And it's also limited for Flux and One, etc. Okay guys, I would love to hear your thoughts about this. If you have different conclusions than me, I would totally love to hear it. Please share your experience in the comments. See you soon.